5 tips for starting your own business. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, get us in the algorithm. Let me know how you feel about this shit. If you hate it, cool. Still helps with the algorithm. If you don't hate it, cool. Still helps. If you absolutely love it, cool. Share it with your friends. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. I have a lot of people coming up to me like, hey, I want to get into business. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? To me, I just see problems or something that could be done better. And I'm like, how can I solve this more effectively, more efficiently, and then charge more and still give the people a better result? So in one of them, let's just say in our social media company, I was using one company and they weren't really doing anything besides hitting a button to upload something. And it was all skeletal it was like really skeleton to where I was like, okay, so how can I create this to where we get absolutely everything that someone would need to help them grow their social media company? And so I was like, okay, so this is a problem. What else would be cool if I'm going to start this business that would be in it that would really take stuff off my hands? And I was thinking about, what am I trying to implement for my social? I was like, okay, so I want to do email. So we need a copywriter and someone who can send out the emails. I want to put out close to 1,000 pieces of content. So I'll probably need like 1 to 2 editors. We need something that has catchy titles. So we'll need our copywriter for the good catchy titles. I need someone to post everything all the time. So we have someone for that. And so now I have a company that will create 1,000 pieces of content minimum for someone. They will copyright everything. They can send out all their emails. They can post all their podcasts. They can help them record. And they can give them overall YouTube strategy and social media strategy. This is everything I want. Now from there, how can I do this efficiently? And what do the economics of it look like? So I was looking at it. I was like, okay, like my nut on this is X amount. I want to charge X amount in order for it to really even be worth it for me as far as the margins go. So I'm okay, so here's the margins. What is the amount of money I do want to make? Okay, so I want to make X amount of money. Okay, that looks really good. So I'm going to make X amount of money. How many clients do I want to have and what do I want my life to look like around that? Okay, so we can do it at X and then an X amount of clients. We're at about 75% profit margin and it's bringing me the amount of money I want. Awesome. Okay, now I have a plan, and that's the way you should evaluate. And I know the title is like 5 steps that our team came up with, but that's how you should be thinking about your business when you first get started out. Like, what's the problem? How can I solve it efficiently and I guess more effectively than everybody else, and include more in my offer than anyone else has? So I'm buying back absolutely everybody's time. I'm going to help them get to the next level faster than anyone else, and I'm going to create an absolutely better overall product for them as well. And so that's what that is what business is, and that's what we do in all of our businesses. Wholesale, yes. And social media, yes. And our new one that's coming out, yes. And Call Magicians, yes. Like, we are trying to absolutely jam-pack our offer and our value to where it outweighs anything, and it's stupid. And I get this from Alex Hormozy. Shout out Hormozy, Handlebars. I just want my value to be absolutely amazing, and to where people are like, oh man, it's a no-brainer. It does all this, and I don't have to pay X? Sweet. Think about these 5 things when you're getting going. Number 1, what is the problem? Number 2, how can I do this better? Number 3, how can I do this better more efficiently? Number 4, what is that going to cost me? And number 5, what is the amount of money I want to make from the service? Evaluate those things and ask yourself those things when you're just getting started in the business. And if you want to start a business, find a problem. Okay, this is a problem that I'm consistently experiencing of like people doing shit. Service-based businesses, I think, are the easiest to start. Product is a lot harder. And then, so we have product, service, and then I guess the only other thing would be like SaaS. And unless I have no technical skills as far as that goes, so I would never start a SaaS company. And then product, I don't have any products I'm trying to push that are like products besides affiliates of a SaaS company. So everything we do is like service-based. Take that with a grain of salt. I hope this helps. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to it, leave a comment, a tip you wish you would have gotten when you started a business.